this one that we're going to be making has got something common, which is a pineapple juice. Would you like to add ice first? Pineapple juice, white wine. There you go. We've got the coconut syrup. By adding a dash of black pepper powder. Perfect. Yeah. So always you do this, you hold it down and you go from this ear to this hip. So it goes like this, the full length of your hand. So in this, you don't melt the ice, you just chill the drink. That's about it. Oh wow, that's got a nice froth to it, which is a good thing. You want to pour that? Perfect. I'm just gonna dunk some of these inside it. And the final. So that's your drink, which is a white wine cocktail.